This San Jacinto home has everything you want and more. You will love the open floor plan this stunning home for sale has to offer, and the many upgrades that sets this property apart from all the rest. This turnkey home measures 1,947 square feet and sits on a lot size of 7,405 square feet. This house has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, plus an office. It was built in 2019 by Signature Homes USA and located in the Luz Del Sol community. It has high 9-foot ceilings, beautiful laminate flooring and carpet, window shutters, and window blinds throughout. It features a large formal dining room area, perfect for parties. The living room allows for a great view to the backyard and puts you in the middle of entertaining your guests for summer barbecues. The Modern Gourmet Kitchen features dark cabinets with soft closed drawer guides and door hinges. It also has sleek granite countertops, stainless steel sink, recessed lighting, microwave, oven, stove, and dishwasher. This kitchen has plenty of cabinets for extra storage, a spacious island with breakfast bar seating. This California home has a centrally located powder room as well. The master bedroom has a large walk-in closet and attached ensuite master bathroom. The master bathroom has dual sinks, separate shower, and bathtub. You will also find 3 bedrooms, each with high ceilings, carpet, closets, and window blinds. There is a full guest bathroom with shower and bathtub. There is also an office which overlooks the front yard. This home also features an inside laundry room, which is conveniently located between all bedrooms. The backyard has a concrete patio that is ready for you to sit, relax, and enjoy our wonderful Southern California weather. It has plenty of room to design the backyard of your dream. It includes central heating and air conditioning, as well as a tankless water heater. This San Jacinto home has attached split-car garages, allowing 3 cars total to be parked, a 2-car garage, as well as a 1-car garage. This San Jacinto home is truly an entertainer's delight. The Luz Del Sol community also has a park with playground and basketball court. This house is close to freeways and is move-in ready.